What I wish I knew when my Subaru Outback's backup camera stopped working. First, let's make sure it's not a simple issue. Check if the display screen is working. If it's blank, the problem might be with the screen itself, not the camera. Next, inspect the camera lens. Sometimes dirt or debris can block the view. A quick clean might do the trick. If that doesn't help, let's move on to the wiring. Open the trunk and locate the camera wiring. Look for any visible damage or loose connections. A disconnected wire is an easy fix. Still not working? Try resetting the system. Turn off your car, wait a minute, then restart it. Sometimes a simple reboot can solve electronic glitches. If all else fails, it might be time to check the fuse box. Locate the backup camera fuse using your owner's manual. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new one of the same rating. Finally, if none of these steps work, you might need professional help. Visit your Subaru dealer or a trusted mechanic. And there you have it. Troubleshooting your Subaru Outback's backup camera can be straightforward. Just take it step by step. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.